If you work in Blueprints a lot, you already know this pain. Right-click, search for a node, then click and then repeat that again and again. It breaks your flow. However, Unreal Engine already gives some shortcuts like pressing B for branch and S for sequence, but it's very limited. You can't customize it and you definitely can't do it for every node. But if you want to do all these things, you can do with this plugin. This is More Node Shortcuts, a plugin that lets you create shortcuts to almost any Blueprint node using your own hotkeys. And not just that, you can even edit default shortcuts. Like if Unreal gives you B for branch, you can change it to something like Ctrl+B or anything you prefer. Let me show you how it works. You open Tool Panel, and then you can see the plugin, and here you can see all your current bindings. We've already included some default nodes like branch, spawn actor, custom even, or many more. So you can start instantly. Now, if you want to assign or change a key, just select a node, click on Capture Key, and press any key or key combination. If you want to remove it, you can click Remove Selected Binding, or if you just want to reset it, you can use Clear Key, so you have full control over every shortcut. You can also search for almost any Blueprint node. Just type something like branch, click Add, and now it's in your list. Then assign a key, done. Everything stays organized in one place. You can edit shortcuts, remove them, clear keys, and even detect conflicts if two nodes use the same key. So your setup stays clean and flexible. Once everything is set up, just open any Blueprint graph, press your shortcut, and the node appears instantly near your mouse. And in many cases, it can even auto-connect to the correct pins, which makes things even faster. You can easily set up this plugin, just download it from Fab, enable it from the plugins panel, and start building your own shortcut system. If you use Blueprints regularly, this will save you a lot of time, and once you get used to it, it's really hard to go back. And I'll give you the plugins link in the description. You can check out from there. If you run into any problems, drop a comment. Thanks for watching.